Dear students, this is your FA1 model paper. Portions are lesson 1, lesson 2, poem 1, poem 2, SP1 and grammar lesson number 1 to 5 from 8th standard grammar Cordova book. Question number 1. Why do you look at me while you say, who said this? Swami's father, Swami's mother, Swami's grandfather, Swami's friend. Option B, Swami's mother is the correct answer. The news report said that the boy who fought with the tiger stayed on the tree for half a day. Why did he do so? He wanted to watch the tiger from the top of the tree. He wanted someone to kill the tiger. He wanted to take rest for some time. He wanted to meet with friends. Option B, he wanted someone to kill the tiger is the correct answer. I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. Who does he refers to? The boy who fought with the tiger, Swami, Swami's friend, burglar. Here option A, the boy who fought with the tiger is the correct answer. God sees days truth but waits. The, A, N, none of the above. The, God sees the truth but waits. Yeah, option A, the OCP suggested Belleswar to take Roma to Airoli, but Belleswar disagreed because the hospital was far away. The hospital did not have a surgeon. It did not have sufficient equipment. It was not a government hospital. Option A, the hospital was far away is the correct answer. Roma Talreja was a 21-year-old Yes. Call center executive, worker in Mumbai Suburban Train Services, executive in the Women's Welfare Society, marketing executive. Here option A, call center executive is the correct answer. Did Roma loss on the track? Articles did Roma loss on the track. Pen, cell phone, handbag, both B and C. Both B and C, cell phone and handbag. The only sport we enjoy is days hockey. A and the no article. No article is there. I left it at days office. A and the no article. The. I left it at the office. Option C, the is the correct answer. He is a doctor. A and the no article. He is a doctor. Option A. A. He drives at a speed of 90 miles days hour. NR. Option B, N is the correct answer. It is Des Arthur Road. A, N, the no article. No article will be used. Option D, no article is the correct answer. Question number 14. Ruskin Bond is an option A, Englishman, B, author, C, Indian poet, D, English. Option C, Indian poet is the correct answer. In a trice means 3 times, try very hard, 3 colors, very quickly. Option D, very quickly is the correct answer. The opposite of graceful is graceless, disgraceful, grace, not graceful. Option B, disgraceful is the correct answer. Write rhyming word for gift. Option A, lift, B, escalator, C, stair, D, prize. Option A, lift is the correct answer. The quality of mercy is strained, not strained, trained, not strained. Option D, not strained is correct answer. The word temporal means permanent, worldly power, constant, inconsistent. Option B, worldly power is the correct answer. Please, question number 20. Please don't call me. State the type of sentence. Command, respect, advice, suggestion. Option B, respect is correct. My friend is good football player. Identify subject. My friend football player is. My friend is the correct answer. We will sing a song. Underline compliments. We will song sing. Option C, song is the correct answer. A protest march was taken out to show happiness towards the working of the British, resistance to the British, resistance to the educational authority, their courage and brave. Option B, resistance to the British is the correct answer. Patil, the sub-inspector wanted them because he was a police officer, he was fond of children, he was a friend of Mohan's father, none of the above. Option C, he was a friend of Mohan's father is the correct answer. The second time someone knocked at the door at night, Amma knew it was Des. Patil, Mohan, Suman, the police. Option D, police is the correct answer. It blesseth him that give and him that takes. What does mighty mean in the context? Powerful or strong, blissful, polite, honest. Option A, powerful and strong is the correct answer. The quality of mercy is strained, not strained, trained, not trained. Option D, not strained is the correct answer. Mercy droppeth as the gentle rain from the days. Sky, heaven, horizon, cloud. Option B, heaven is the correct answer. The throne monarchs better than his queen. Crown, king, scepter. Option B, crown is the correct answer. Mercy is enthroned in the heart of queen, man, god, kings. Kings is the correct answer. We will sing a song. Underline the complement. We will song sing. Option C, song is the correct answer. This was the time of Quit India movement. 1947, 1942, 1963, 1933. Option B, 1942 is the correct answer. A protest march was taken out to show happiness towards the working of the British, resistance to the British, resistance to the educational authorities, their courage and bravery. Option B, resistance to the British is the correct answer. The student took out the march in a way, peaceful, violent, excited, quietly. Option A, peaceful is the correct answer. Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help them because days. He was a police officer. He was fond of children. He was a friend of Mohan's father. None of the above. Option C, he was a friend of Mohan's father is the correct answer. The cyclostyling machine was kept hidden in the desk, front room, puja room, kitchen, hall. Option B, puja room is the correct answer. Patil came to inform about days. Search warrant, notice, call notice, none of these. Option A, search warrant is the correct answer. Des, who was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, had been arrested by the police. A student, the principal, a teacher, Mohan. Option C, a teacher is the correct answer. It is twice blessed. Who does it refers to? Mercy, quality, arrogance, intelligence. Option A, mercy is the correct answer. It blesseth him that give and him that takes. What does mighty mean in the context? Powerful or strong, blissful, polite, honest. Option A, polite, powerful, or strong is the correct answer.